So yesterday there was no entries. We didn't get a sweep of the low here into this demand, and price is just hovering in this area here. So if this sweeps the low here, I'm not looking to get in. I only am looking for that if I get an entry in the previous sessions. So my sessions are London and New York. So the entry for this was at Tokyo. So if it came down and swept this in London of that same day, then I would get into it. But now it's been a day now. If this sweeps this low, I'm not going to be getting into it. So all we're looking for now is continuation. So how I determine whether phase C, which is continuation, is started, we have our last breaker structure there. So I need a breaker structure here to confirm it. Technically, we've had a breaker structure I class as a candle closure above the previous high. I'm going to class this more as a sweep. So I'm looking for a solid, break out of this area before looking for buys. So if that happens and we get the breaker structure, then I'm looking for buys, and it's looking for the model. The model's not there yet on the buy side. Then if price comes down and sweeps and takes out this demand, it breaks it completely, it wicks below it, candle closes below it. I'm not looking for any entries here now, but if this demand breaks, then it means the pullback is still active, where we do have a few POIs. Actually, this might already be mitigated. Yeah, so this has actually already been mitigated, so I wouldn't be looking for sells there. I'll be looking for sells here. But this is only if that demand here breaks. In situations like this as well, I like to look at the daily time frame just to see what the daily is giving us. Have we had any change of characters on the daily or anything like that? So the daily, we still have this demand here, which hasn't been mitigated. So this demand right here. So we could push down lower. We haven't had any change of character or anything like that. So potentially price could still come into this demand. So it could come lower. But for now, I'm just waiting. So yeah, not really anything to note down at the moment. We're literally just waiting to see what happens. So if anyone's watching who wants to make sure what happens, we're looking for either a breaker structure above this high. I know technically we have had it there, but it's not convincing enough for me. It's more of a sweep. We've swept this high and then mitigated this POI, and then it's pushed it down. But I'm looking for a nice solid break out of this area. So if you want to mark this and you want to see a candle closure above this as well, I would say, before confirming buyers. But if that doesn't happen and then this breaks, then the only place I'm looking to sell from is this POI here. So that's the two things I'm waiting for. Phase C continuation to be confirmed, or pullback to still be active. Candle closure above this for phase C. This demand failing for pullback. So yeah, that's it for Germany 40.